Hello dear, welcome V1 Queen. If you like this video then do like, share, comment and subscribe. Hello. Hello dear student, welcome to our English class. Today our topic is blanks. I already had been taught you unit number 2, the bubble, the straw and the shoes, and I already taught you poem after a bath. So we do complete our blanks. I try to blank water. I try to save water like we save money, that we need to save water because water is very important in our life. When we wake up early in the morning, then we will go to bed. Then we do regular use water. We use water in bath, making food. Then after we drink water. So trees also need water. Animals also take water. So water is very important. Then 2 number. I have blank toes. So I have 10 toes. Every people have 2 legs. So fingers, like we have fingers. If we have legs, then we have small fingers. So we call TOES, toes. Hang the wet towel to blank. Dry, DRY, dry. Hang the wet towel to dry. When we take a bath, then after we hang the towel on the angle for dry. The shoe jumped on the straw. The shoe jumped, JUMPE, jumped on the straw. The shoe fall into the water. The shoe fall into the water because the shoe jumped on the straw. So the shoe fell into the water. The next blank. The blank brushed with pink pen. So the bubble, 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 because the bubble laughed loudly. So the bubble shook with laughter. So the bubble brushed with big bang. So every student must be write in your English notebook and also prepare. Okay, dear student. Then our another topic is write the RHYING rhyming WORDS words. Write the rhyming words. Rhyming word means we use last 2 letters, 3 or more than 4 or 5 letters are same in the last. So we see RED, red. So ED is same in the another word, BED, bed, and then BED, bed. Bed. Bed means we go to sleep on the bed. So BD, bed, and PD, bed. Then next MAT, mat. So BAT, bat. So you are also playing a cricket. So you are using BAT, bat. Then after RAT, rat. The cat go to a rat, 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 because cat likes a rat. R-A-T, rat. B-I-G, big. Small and big. So, you know B-I-G, big. D-I-G, dig. And then R-I-G, rig. R-I-G, rig means L-U-G-G-E, luggage. C-O-T, coat. H-O-T, hot. P-O-T, pot. Hot, yeah. When in the summer we feel hot atmosphere. H-O-T, hot. Then B-U-N, burn. Sometimes we eat, we burn. U-N, burn. So U-N use word. So S-U-N, sun. We know. We every day see the sun. G-U-N, gun. So police have a gun. G-U-N, gun. H-E-N, hand. P-E-N, pen. You are also sometimes your mother or parents use pen. P-E-N, pen. You are using pencil. D-E-N, den. Den means cave, cave. The lion lives in a den. D-O-G, dog. L-O-G, log. F-O-G, fog. Fog means one type of weather, like some white. We see sometimes white in the sky and we can't see, transparent. We can't see anything. C-R-Y, cry. D-I-Y, dry. Cry. Laugh means ha ha ha. C-R-Y, cry. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. Laugh. Opposite is C-R-Y, cry. D-R-Y, dry. After a bath, you hang out your towel for dry. D-R-Y, dry. Try. D-R-Y, try. If you write anything, then you can't do improve. Then you do erase and again you are right. So you are doing try. T-R-Y, try. J-O-Y, joy. B-O-Y, boy. T-O-Y, toy. Joy means happy. You know boy. And T-O-Y, toy. You like toy. C-N, can. You can do anything. So, one type of possibility. Yeah, you can do it. P-N, pen. M-A-N, man. Man and W-M-A-N, woman. So, M-A-N, man. And P-N, pen. Your mother make roti on the pan. And your father is a man. So, every student must be write these rhyming words in your English notebook. Every student must be write 3 times. Okay, 3 times write these words. Okay, dear student. Bye bye. See you. Take care. If you are watching this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe. You do write your name in the comment. Everybody must be write your name in the comment.